Knitting two together through the back loop is an easy way of decreasing that creates a slant that leans left. You might be asked to make this kind of decrease at any point along a row. I'm going to put it at the edge after 2 edge stitches so that you can see how it leans to the left. So I'm going to knit my first 2 stitches, and now I'm going to do the decrease. Insert the tip of the right hand needle down into the back of both the top 2 stitches on the left hand needle. Wrap the yarn around, pull it through both stitches, slide them off, and there you have made a single decrease that leans to the left.